Android phones and tablets are essential in daily life, but data loss can happen due to accidental deletion, misplacement, or resets. Want an easy way to back up and restore contacts, photos, and more? Let's dive into the best methods now. Way 1. Back up and restore Android phone to or from PC in one click. Looking for reliable backup and restore software? Try Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. It's simple, secure, fast, and affordable, letting you back up your phone to a computer and restore data to any Android device. Section 1 Backup. Step 1. Install and open the software on your computer. Connect your Android phone via USB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your phone. Once detected, choose Backup on the screen. Step 3. Pick the data types you'd like to back up, then specify a location on your computer to get them stored. Finally, tap on Backup to copy Android data to this computer. Section 2 Restore. Step 1. When the software recognizes your Android phone, choose Restore from the main screen and check the backup content you've made before. Step 2. Select your desired file type S and tap on Restore again to put the items onto the linked device. Way 2. Back up and restore Android phone or tablet via Assistant for Android. If you want to preview the Android content and choose whatever you want to back up, Mobikin Assistant for Android can also be included in your list of options. How to back up and restore Android phone with Mobikin Assistant for Android. Backup. Install and open Assistant for Android on your computer. Connect your Android phone via USB and follow the on-screen instructions. After the recognition, press any data types from the left menu. Preview and select the specific files you want to backup. Lastly, tap Export to back up your chosen files to the computer. Restore. Select any file type from the left menu. Tap Import at the top screen to choose the backup content from your computer. Save the items to restore them to your Android phone. This smart tool also lets you back up and restore Android phones in bulk. Backup. After the connection and recognition, go to the program's Super Toolkit, Backup. Choose Data Categories, Backup. Restore. Tap Super Toolkit, Restore. Select Backup Files, Restore. Way 3. Back up and restore Android apps and data to or from PC via File Explorer. Connect your device to a computer via USB. Select File Transfer from the USB options. Use File Explorer to back up or restore files by copying them between your device and computer. Way 4. Back up and restore Android using Google Drive. Back up. Open Settings Backup and Restore. Enable Google One and tap Backup Now. Restore on your new device. Tap Let's Go. Sign into Google and restore your data. Way 5. Back up and restore data on your Android device with Dropbox. Back up. Install Dropbox. Sign in and tap Plus to upload files. Enable Camera Upload for auto photo or video backup. Restore. Sign into Dropbox. Browse Files, select items, and download them. Way 6. Back up and restore data on Android with Samsung account. Back up. Go to Settings Samsung Cloud Backup Settings and tap Backup Now. Restore. Go to Settings Samsung Cloud. Check the backup and tap Restore Now. Way 7. Back up and restore Android with Easy Backup and Restore. Back up. Install Easy Backup. Open it and tap Yes. Select data, set a location, name the file, and tap OK. Restore. Open the app. Tap Restore and follow the steps.